And hi everyone, welcome back to another video tutorial about how to use Illustrator. Today we are going to see how to create this text effect with line. So let's get started. The very first step is to create those lines. So to do that we are going to use the ellipse tool. You can go to the left panel, and then if you are in one of those other tools, just make a long click and then select ellipse tool. We make a click on the screen and then choose OK. We change it from fill to outline easily by going to this swap fill and stroke. Now we are going to arrange this to the middle of our composition. To do that, you can easily go to the upper bar and select horizontal align center and also vertical align center. Very good. Now we are going to increase a little the stroke to 3 points, and then we are going to make a copy of this. So use the shortcut command Ctrl C then Ctrl V. We are going to do the same thing with the second one, and then holding down Shift and Alt and drag when the mouse have this sign. So we can increase this as that. Now that we have those two circles, we are going to choose both of them and then go to the left panel and select the blend tool. We are going to choose a circle and then go to another and make selection again. And here we go, we have this new circle in the middle, but we want more. So we make a double click on this tool again, change the spacing to specify step, increase the number, but we also want to see what we are doing, so we activate this checkbox, the preview checkbox, and we increase more or less 50 could go well for this project. Now we are going to select the type tool, make a click, and write what you want. For example, I'm going to write Lauren. Select this and change to a big font, so this effect could see better. I'm going to use Bebas. It looks great, so I'm going to use this one. Holding down Shift, increase the size and drag it inside. And I'm going to insert on the right bottom side. You can insert where you want. Now that we have this, we are going to choose again both of them and then go to object and expand with those parameters, then make a click on OK. Then you have to open the window Pathfinder. If you don't see it, you can go to Window and then go to Pathfinder and activate it. Now we go here and under Pathfinder we are going to select Outline. Here we go. Now we only want those, but as you can see, when I move the mouse, we have again those parts that we don't want. To eliminate them, we just have to select and then ungroup. Now we select again, go to the upper bar and select similar object, and with the shortcut Ctrl X, we select them and make selection of all those invisible paths, and we erase all of them. As you can see, we erase anything that is on the screen. Now we can paste what we copied. So we are going to shit. Now we are going to select those inner lines, so we don't want those lines that define the text. So we select as this and then go to stroke and increase the size. Well, now you just have to do it with R, so I'm going to speed up this part. Okay, to do it quickly, what I did is to use the shortcut I fold eyedropper tool and then copy the stroke. Now that we have all of them, we are going to remove all those lines. So select one and then go to the upper bar and select similar object. Then you just have to delete. And here we have our effect. To change the color, you just have to select up, then go to stroke and change the color as you want. So this is all. Hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. I'm going to see you in the next one. Bye.